Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the prediction for your IELTS exam 2022-2025. So March 25 prediction I'm going to let you know today. So before that, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel because here you can get the answers of your all of your questions. And also if you are new on this channel, then you can also have that opportunity to do free speaking with us. We have two ways to you can connect with us. Very first thing, like you can join our WhatsApp group, and also another way you can send me an email on getsuccess66 at the rate gmail.com. And also the other way, then you can also send me the comment in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. But again, please don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to connect with us and you need any updates for your IELTS exam. So now let's get started with the prediction of your 22nd March 2025 IELTS exam. So very first we will start with the listening, and first we will talk about the question type. So very first you can have that multiple choice question answers there, right? And after that you have matching plan, map, diagram or labeling form, note, table or flowchart. And third type you have summary completion, and you can say sentence completion. So this is the type of your question type. So, and now we will talk about the exam type, because exam is always a big deal for the students. I know that you are preparing, but please guys, take it this prediction as a part of your addition in your preparation. What are you doing right now? So please keep that add in there along with your current preparation, what you are doing right now. So please, this time your exam is going to be easy to moderate. So now the question is why, right? Because I know that everybody knows, want to know about why our exam is going to be easy to moderate. So because there is several reasons, so that's why I'm saying whatever preparation you are doing right now, please add this prediction along with that preparation. So if you are preparing as all like from your coaching centers, if they are coach you about the material, whatever they are providing you, their own material or Cambridge books material, please keep both two things with you and also add up this one here. So what you need to do there, why this prediction, why this exam is going to be easy to moderate. Very first is your accent. So please work with all the mix British, American, Australian and Canadian accents, because students complains about this is the hardest part. Then they feel in the exam, because here in the exam when they have the different accents like in Canadian, British, American, so they will get confused and some words they confuse them. So please, when you are preparing your exam, so please make sure that you have all type of accents, you listen first, okay, so before your exam. And another main thing which you feel like a little bit harder, that the oh sorry the next is again your work on your vocabulary and acronyms. And here we will predict the topics. So what type of topics you can have that in your IELTS exam. Very first is real life scenario, like such as travel, work and daily activities. Also you can prepare the things like, okay, the booking of your daily routine, and you went to the restaurant, how you can conversate with the restaurant people, and how you order the things, and how when you are going to buy or rent the house, then how you can, what type of question you can have it. So please prepare all these activities. These are the routine activities. When you go to the grocery shop, if you will not find the product like what you needed, so how you can ask them. So these are the real life scenarios. So please work on these activities for your upcoming IELTS exam on 22nd March 2025. So now moving forward to the reading, but before that, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. And also if you are new on this channel, again my recommendation is to everybody, please join our online sessions and one-on-one sessions, because there you can get more information about your IELTS exam and preparation. All right, so moving forward to the reading, so question type. Very first we will start with the question type. So please Keep in your mind this prediction is belongs to IDP and British Council students, and students they also have, some of the students they also have online academic students and journal students exam. So I did not include any journal prediction here, but if you need that, please let me know. I will definitely make the another video, and then definitely you can have that prediction too. So now let's get started with the question type. Is very first type is true, false, and not given, and multiple choice question and matching the headings. Matching the information is also the another type under this multiple choice question answers. And also you can see the features, right? So multiple matching features, information and matching features, also the another thing, matching the information and matching the features. So that is the another type of question you need to work on. And last, the important thing is here that matching sentences and ending sentence completion, summary notes, table, flowchart, and flowchart completion. These all are the important question types here in this IELTS exam. But again, so you need, what you need to work on here, that the last thing is the short answer question. So you need to give the answer in a one word or two words, not more than that. So that is the last type of question. So these are, you need to familiar yourself with all these question types, because that is really really important for your upcoming IELTS exam. So now the exam type. So next question is exam type, what this exam is going to be. So this exam is going to be easy to moderate again. Why? I know this is the next question, because always we have to think about why this exam is going to be little harder than the other exams. So because you can, again, same first thing is the mix accent of British, American, Australian, and Canadian accent. So please work with the accents when you are preparing your IELTS exam. Work with your coaching centers, or if you are doing a preparation by yourself, then please, online material is, so much of material is available. Just go to the online sites and listen to the American, British, and Canadian accents, how it looks like, and then this, in this way you can understand the stuff. Next, more harder thing for you, the new vocabulary words, hard and new vocabulary words like mellifluous, so means sweet and musical. So prevaricate means to speak. So these are the new words. Okay, so prevaricate, so means to speak something. So so these type of words, please look at my new vocabulary videos, which I am always uploading timely with the related topics. So please go back to my channel and see all the videos with the vocab. So there you can have many new words, which is really helpful for your reading and for your exam. Not only for this exam, you can also use that words in your daily routine too. Next important thing is acronyms, is as soon as possible. Like very first example, as soon as possible means ASAP. This type of words you can see that in the exam. Meaning is as soon as possible. TYSM means thank you so much. So these type of small acronyms you need to learn, you need to revise, you can see, you can find. And more acronyms are like FBI or UNESCO. UNESCO means United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Or WHO means World Health Organization. So these kind of words you definitely keep in your mind, because these are the popular acronyms. All right. And now the next is, what other thing you need to be careful and keep in your mind for the contraction words. Example, can't means, they will, you say can't means cannot. I'll means I will, I shall. Okay. She's means she is. Same way like isn't means is not. Don't means do not. They are means they are. We are means we are. Okay. His means not his. So these words are definitely confuse the students and they lose their marks there, like his, she's, his is, he is, or he has. Okay. Or she's is, she is. Okay. Or same way like she has. Or the same thing is It means it is or it has. So these words definitely you keep in your mind, because this can be the part of your losing bands. Okay, so this is all about the exam and their expectations. Now let's move to see the exam topics or passages, what type of passages you need to prepare for your IELTS exam. So very first, passage one is longer and more complex text from the books. So this is the important uh, I can note for you that these type of journals and also magazines and also newspapers, so these all are your important part of your, I can say, the part of your passages. So they will give you the topic or passage one or passage two or passage three or passage four from these journal, magazines, newspapers, or longer or more complex text from the books. So please prepare yourself with these, so in that way you can have good marks in your IELTS exam. And along with that, the important topics which is really useful for you to prepare, that is really important. So topics like science and technology, history, social issues, and environmental concerns, so these are the all are the important topic for your IELTS exam. So means you can prepare your science and technology, history, and also social issues and environmental concerns. So these all are your important, very important topic for your IELTS exam. So this is all about listening and reading. Now moving forward to the writing part. So if we talk about writing, so writing task one. So keep in your mind, this is a prediction of your 22nd March 2025 IDP and British Council students. Your prediction for your exam, listening, reading, and writing. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. Yes, you have the opportunity to do free speaking with us, but again, the only thing which we needed from you, that please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to click on the like button if you are new on this channel. If someone is struggling, if you see someone is struggling for their IELTS speaking or interview, so please recommend our free resource IELTS Wisdom channel to them. So this is Vishist for your IELTS tutor here. And also, if you have any question, concerns, anything, you can just write down in the comment section. That is a very instant way to reach out to me. I will definitely get back to you within 12 hours, because again, I, as I always in my every video I mention that I'm in America, so it will take time for me to respond to you. But again, at the end of the day, definitely respond to my all the students if they ask, or if you are asking me about any video uploads or any material upload, I always give you a comment. But if I'm not sending you the comment, so then I will definitely recognize with the thumbs up or like your video or like your comment. So in that way, like, you can find that upload very soon within 1 or 2 days in my channel. Okay. All right. So moving forward to the task one. So task one is first thing, data interpretation with bar graph. Please prepare these graphs, very important that for your IELTS exam. Also line graph, pie chart, table, or diagram, so these all are the important. And also focus on describing trends, and also focus on comparing data and summarizing the information. So these all are very, very important for your IELTS writing task exam. So now we talk about writing task 2, but before that, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. All right, guys. So now let's get started with the task 2. Task 2, please work on opinion based analytical essays on global issues. Number 2, opinion based education trends and also social problems. So these all are the important and the same. I'll give you some exemplary topics, so which type of topics already had it, and what can you expect in your IELTS exam moving forward. But again, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Only way to connect with us when you subscribe our channel. And also you can send me an email, you can also join our WhatsApp group. These all are the ways you can reach out to me, and the easiest way is a comment. When you uploading or writing the comment under the video which I recently upload. Okay, so in that way I respond to my team, my people, my students within 12 hours. Again, why I'm taking 12 hours? Because I'm in this different time zone. So I'm in America, you are in India, so India or any part of the country, so we have a different time zone. So when you have a day, we have light and we are behind. So that's only the reasons. That's why my response will be within a 12 hours or a little bit up above to that time. All right, so sample topics could include: very first, should students take a gap year before university? And is remote work in the future is work? Remote work, do you know what is remote work? When people is working from home, all right, or outside of their comfort zone from office, okay, that is remote. So do you think it will happen? It could be, but again, if you need the answer of these questions, just let me know. I will definitely prepare the answers for you. But this type of question, and the third question, like in the social side, so this question is for is remote work in the future works or not? So this is your technology based question. Should students take a gap year before university? This is your education, or you can consider that in university and college education. And should social media platforms be regulated? So this is again with the social issues or media technology. So speaking part one. So because on these days many students they're going to appear for the speaking, so please prepare personal questions about your work, your study, your hobby, and your daily routine. Watch my videos. Students really impressed from that video, and then I have 1 million view on one of my video that is related with the hometown and then differences between the home and the village life. So please watch that video. It is really helpful. I compare the people current like scenario with the countryside people. So please watch that one also. Part two is cue card topics such as describing a memorable event or a book, your favorite book or your favorite place, or would you like to visit the different, which place would you like to visit, your favorite place or your destined or dream place. So these are the part two, and the part three is discussion on the basis of your cue card and also focusing on expressing opinions clarity and also using the strong vocabulary. So these all are part three questions, which areas which is really important for your IELTS exam. So if you are new on this channel, again question is, if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel for more detail about preparation material, or you can check my resource IELTS wisdom videos. And also good luck with your IELTS preparation. And if you have any specific questions or any concerns or any trainings you needed, please subscribe this channel. And also for further assistance if you need it, then write down in the comment section. I'm here to help you out. But again, the only thing which we needed from you, that is click on the subscribe button, share this video with your friends who is going to appear in upcoming IELTS exam. And also if you are new on this channel, don't forget to click us subscribe and click on the thumbs up button and share this video with the friends who is looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, and who is looking for their IELTS or maybe regular job interview preparation. So we are here to help you out with that too. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keeping with listening to me and staying with me for all these 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care. Bye bye.